garlic, potato, tomato, rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tomato casserole recipes. Taken around 100 to 150 grams of potato, peeled and cut into pieces. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinade. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt to taste. Salt. saute this. Now put in half a spoon of chili powder. Put in a spoon of mixed spices. What a spoon of turmeric powder. A spoon of coriander powder. Mix that in. Put in the pieces of 3 tomatoes. Into the casserole. Salt thoroughly. You can saute. Put in salt to taste. Salt. Keep on salting. Salt and crush the tomato pieces. Now put in the potato pieces. Salt and mix thoroughly. Thoroughly salt and mix. Pour in 100 ml of water. Mix. And mixture cook for 15 minutes. Close and put in some curry leaves. Mix and let this mixture cook for 1 minute. 2 cups of water and let it boil. Put in a cup of washed and soaked rice. Mix and let this mixture cook in the casserole for 20 minutes. This is now the garlic, potato, tomato, rice casserole is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. The final garlic, potato, tomato, rice casserole. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the potato casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato casserole recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the garlic recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.